Learn the most usable synonyms. Please like, share, and subscribe.
300 IELTS synonyms. 41. Honest, truthful, sincere, trustworthy, upright. 42. Dishonest, deceitful, untruthful, untrustworthy, fraudulent. 43. Kind, nice, gentle, caring, compassionate. 44. Cruel, mean, harsh, brutal, heartless. 45. Busy, active, occupied, engaged, hectic. 46. Lazy, idle, inactive, sluggish, lethargic. 47. Noisy, loud, boisterous, rowdy, clamorous. 48. Quiet, silent, calm, peaceful, hushed. 49. Healthy, fit, well, strong, robust. 50. Sick. 3. Unwell, ailing, diseased. 51. Think, consider, ponder, reflect, contemplate. 52. Say, speak, declare, express, announce. 53. Tell, inform, notify, explain, reveal. 54. Ask, inquire, request, query, question. 55. Answer, respond, reply, acknowledge, return. 56. See, view, observe, notice, witness. 57. Look, glance, gaze, peek, stare. 58. Watch, monitor, observe, check, view. 59. Hear, listen, perceive, detect, catch. 60. Speak, talk, converse, communicate, articulate. 61. Write. Compose, record, inscribe, draft. 62. Read, peruse, browse, study, scan. 63. Walk, stroll, wander, hike, march. 64. Run, sprint, jog, race, dash. 65. Sit, rest, perch, settle, squat. 66. Stand, rise, upright, get up, straighten. 67. Eat, consume, devour, ingest, munch. 68. Drink, sip, gulp, swallow, imbibe. 69. Sleep, nap, slumber, doze, rest. 70. Wake, arise, get up, awaken, stir. 71. Buy, purchase, acquire, obtain, procure. 72. Sell, trade, market, offer, exchange. 73. Build. Construct, assemble, erect, create. 74. Break, shatter, crack, smash, ruin. 75. Repair, fix, mend, restore, rebuild. 76. Open, unlock, uncover, expose, reveal. 77. Close, shut, seal, conclude, finish. 78. Win, triumph, succeed, prevail, conquer. 79. Lose, fail, miss, fall, surrender. 80. Teach, educate, instruct, train, tutor.